Welcome back to the channel. Looking for a dash cam that delivers crystal clear footage day and night? The Redtiger 4K STARVIS2 dash cam is built for drivers who want top-tier video quality, reliable safety features, and peace of mind on every journey. Powered by Sony's latest STARVIS2 sensor, this dash cam captures stunning 4K detail, even in low-light conditions, making it a smart companion for daily commutes, long road trips, or professional driving. Voice Control Touchscreen F7 Touch Dashcam features voice commands, allowing for hands-free control of your 4K car camera, which enhances safety by minimizing distractions. The dual-camera dashcam also has smart touchscreen that can lock emergency video, turn on Wi-Fi, and capture scenery with one click. Redtiger also retains the buttons. Multiple control methods are integrated. Superior night vision. This dashcam driving recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers, and is equipped with HDR/WDR technology to capture key details clearly under low light conditions. Built-in GPS 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Both Android and iOS users can connect to dashcam Wi-Fi via the Redtiger Cam app. Although the dashcam is installed wired, you can enjoy wireless control on your smartphone, faster 20 MB per second download speed, and share your driving experiences in real time with friends and insurance companies. Car recorder. Built-in GPS provides traceable location, speed, and accurate route in the recordings. Dashcam with GPS. This dashcam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, etc. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac GPSPlayer, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Easy installation. 18-month guarantee. Mount the dashcam on the windshield with the suction cup, hide wiring with the included pry tool, and attach the rear camera. Redtiger provides 18 months guarantee and 24/7 customer support. Our after-sales team is always ready to assist you with any inquiries or concerns. The Redtiger 4K STARVIS2 dash cam combines premium imaging technology with practical driving safety features. From ultra-sharp 4K recording to dependable night performance and intelligent protection modes, it's designed to capture every important moment on the road. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.